Hi, I'm Rebecca and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. The question we're looking at today is, what are the key things to look at in a review to determine if you can trust a home remodeling contractor? Good question, right? Well, today we're going to break down 5 things to identify in a company review that provide you with an honest and full understanding of what that company will provide. Then, you'll be able to decipher any company review and check each box to know if you can trust any home remodeling contractor you may hire. How can you trust a company's online reviews? Well, there are 5 key things to identify in a company's reviews to tell you this is a trustworthy contractor you want to consider working with. They are: the company has a high rating, the company has historical reviews, the company has great reviews across numerous platforms, they have comprehensive reviews that describe the experience of a client, and their reviews document the entire journey and are left post-installation. Now, let's look into each of these key indicators of a great review so you can identify a quality home remodeling company by their reviews. Number 1, the company has a high rating. The first thing you want to look at in a home remodeling company's reviews is if they have a high rating. And you may be thinking, duh, right? Why wouldn't I look at their rating? Well, a company's rating is the first key indicator that will tell you whether a company's trustworthy or not. Most review platforms go off of a star rating out of 5 stars. Our advice? Look for a company with a rating in the high 4s. The lower the rating in company reviews, the higher risk associated with choosing that company for your project. Number 2, the company has historical reviews. What we mean by this is that they have reviews that date years and years prior. This is crucial because it tells you that they've been around for a long time. They have credibility in this industry. Historical reviews can also show if a client came back to follow up on their review when they needed to call on the contractor in the future, like if they experienced a problem with their product or needed something fixed, for example. You want to know that a contractor has been locally established in your area, has been around, and is here to stay. Number 3, the company has great reviews across numerous platforms. If they only have great reviews on one site, this is not a major red flag. But if they have great reviews on one site and terrible reviews on another, you'll want to have your guard up. If they have raving reviews on 3 or more sites, this is your golden ticket. Looking at multiple sources validates the truth and strengthens your trust in that company. Number 4, they have comprehensive reviews that describe the experience of a client. Reading about clients' experiences give you a better idea of how the company works with their clients and how well their service is. But it's also an added assurance that the reviews are real and not from robots. Now, not every review has to be paragraphs and paragraphs long, extremely detailed, making you feel like you're reading a novel, but you want to find them scattered throughout the 1-sentence and star-only reviews to ensure they are real and true. Number 5, their reviews document the entire journey and are left post-installation. If a review describes the client's experience with a consultant or representative and mentions nothing about installation and how products look, this is a red flag. You're going to want to start waving when you see this. This means the representative most likely asked the client to leave them a review once they sold you your product and does not provide you with a full picture of the company's service. You want to read reviews that describe the experience of working with the company from start to finish. Of course, you want to read about how the consultations went and how the consultants treated their clients, but you also want to read about how the installation went and how the home looks afterward. Finding a high-quality home remodeling contractor with great reviews. Now you know 5 key things to look for in a company's reviews to know if they are a quality contractor or not. With these 5 key things to keep in mind, you'll be able to decipher a high-quality contractor over a low-quality one based on their reviews. If you're interested in what the next steps are towards hiring the right home remodeling contractor for your project, check out the video linked above right here where we outline 3 important steps to doing just that. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.